So in this video we're going to be investigating a reciprocal relationship. We have a tank is to be filled with water. Different diameter pipes lead to different times it takes to fill the tank. So you have this pipe that's the water is going through the pipe into the tank, and if you increase the width of the pipe, then the tank will fill up faster. So we have a table here that shows those data points. Part A, plot the data on the graph. So, first of all, let's plot the data. The time is 80, the diameter is 1. So, times 80, diameter is 1. So that would be there. Then we have the time is 40, the diameter is 2. So that would go there. And if the time is 20, the diameter is 4, so that would go there. And if the time is 10, the diameter is 8, which would go there. Okay, and so the shape of the graph would be a nice smooth curve going through those data points. So let's try and do that. Something like that. I'm a bit off there, don't I? There we go. Okay, so let's tidy that up a little bit. Okay, so part B, if the diameter of the pipe is doubled, what happens to the time it takes to fill the tank? Okay, well, what we're really looking at to see here is that if you have, let's say, a diameter of 2 centimetres, that currently has a time of 40 minutes. If you double that, so it goes to 4 centimetres, the fill-up time is now 20 minutes. So the time has halved. Another example of this would be if you are at 4 centimetres, that's at 20 minutes, and if you double the diameter, you get to 8 centimetres, and that's at 10 minutes. So the time is halved. And then part C, the formula relating the diameter to the time is D equals K over T. Find the value of K. Well, that means we just need to substitute 1 point in to work out K there. So, for example, if we substituted in the time is 80 and the diameter is 1, we would have 1 equals K over 80. And so if you multiply both sides by 80, you get 1 times 80. You multiply this by 80, you just get K. And so K would have to be equal to 80. And it doesn't matter which point you plug in. We could have substituted in 10/8, for example. So if the diameter is 8 and the time is 10, multiply both sides by 10, and you get precisely the same thing. Okay, so K is definitely 80.